Good morning, so Danny from Innovate Alarms here again. So this morning we're doing a panel change for this old Galaxy panel. So the keypad seeing stars, which tells me there's a fault between it and the panel. That's quite an old Galaxy, so we're going to strip it out, change it for a Euro46, 4-zone expanders, get it on a Digi-Air connected for communicating to the call station, and also giving the customer the app for notifications and stuff like that. So check back in a couple of hours and we'll let you know how it goes. Cheers. So just a wee update. That's us got the panel stripped out, just getting ready to fit this Euro46. So I've also got Ian and our wee apprentice Kieran's turned up to give us a wee hand to change over some of the wheels. Lo and behold, they've come in, dumped their stuff, and straight over to the snack bar. Friday boys, you want to get finished early. Right, so that's me near enough done here. I've got Kieran programming in all the zones for the Euro, which is quite new to doing, so he'll probably be there for the rest of the day. And he's just taking some meter readings for the panel and plugging back in communicators and stuff like that. So all good. I'm moving on to the next one. The boys will finish up here. But thanks for that. Bye. What are you doing, Kieran?
I'm just wiring up this keypad.
You know how to wire that keypad up?
Cool.
Who taught you how to do that? Ian?
Aye.
Oh God, man, you better move and let me in.